and now it's a powdery snow. A little bit of rotation here where we're getting this notching effect. That is the wind that is pulling into Riverdale, also out towards Bethel. So if we're not seeing a tornado, you're most likely seeing some gusty winds. How the showers and thunderstorms basically just hit a brick wall as they rolled towards the Ohio River. You don't want to be near any of those windows in case there is debris flying around. And if you have a helmet, protect your head with that or pull a mattress over your head. Heavy rainfall after about midnight. That will carry over through Tuesday morning. Colder air rushes back in. We transition back over to snow. Why do they get that color? Well, it's courtesy of that old periodic table that you learned back in elementary and middle school. You get copper, calcium, which is in milk, sodium, which is in salt. Cold front kicking Hermine to the curb. Out to sea she goes. Have that telescope ready to go, and you may see that green flashing light flying through the sky, which is Comet 45. So the old science behind leaf color always has to go back to that 7th and 8th grade biology class. Beautiful grass below, but you don't want to mow your lawn just yet or fertilize out there. Wait until the end of March. Have the jacket ready to go as those temperatures are coming down. Spencer Atkins will send it back into you with that football forecast and what we can expect, maybe a couple fadeaway touchdowns in the end zone.
Now, Storm Tracker 13 with the area's most powerful HD live Doppler radar.
Well, we'll start you out with a quick fun fact of the day on this Independence Day Eve. The Earth is at its farthest point from the sun. We call that aphelion. That is 94,500,000 miles away. That is 16,000 trips back and forth from New York to LA, if you want to put that into reality on an airplane. Back and forth, 16,000 trips. That's a lot of trips. So we're at our farthest point from the sun today, but we got tons of sunshine out there mixed in with the clouds, and it's also hot, it's sticky, it's steamy, and it's your typical summertime theme out there as we roll towards the Independence Day holiday. The place to be would be down there on the river. Same thing down in Pikeville, Kentucky. Beautiful view of the valley below with some high cirrus clouds rolling in, and that's because we got a little bit of moisture down here across eastern portions of Kentucky, but it's hitting a brick wall of drier air. The big time moisture still way back western Kentucky, middle portions of Tennessee. We'll see if that tries to sneak in here tomorrow. The big picture shows we're sandwiched in between, kind of caught in the middle with a front to the north and a little disturbance to the south, producing those scattered variety showers and storms. Temperatures in between around 90 degrees, 90 in Winfield, 88 in Charleston, 88 in Spencer, 90 right now in Huntington. A little cooler down there towards Mount Olive, 81 degrees, and that's where it's raining, where you see the darker shades of green. That's also where it's becoming more humid or muggier out there, drier conditions across much of the neighborhood. So we should be looking pretty good, at least for fireworks displays this evening. You'll only have to worry about that mugginess factor, so pack maybe a little bit of a fan or even a spray bottle to keep you cool out there. Gates open for Dog Dazzle at 5 p.m. Fireworks at 9:45-ish up there at Harris Riverfront Park in downtown Huntington. Even here downtown, we may have some fireworks tonight here at Appalachian Power Park. The Hickory Crawdads finishing up the series against the West Virginia Powers. Sun and clouds, shades needed, 87 degrees. And if you don't want to do baseball or watch the fireworks, how about some grilling out there? Burgers, dogs, and ribs sound pretty good. Temperatures pretty warm though, right on through your Wednesday. Fireworks displays across the area besides Huntington. We got Cold Grove, Ohio, Family Fun Days, 86 at 7 o'clock, 75 by our 11 o'clock newscast with partly cloudy skies. So here's that disturbance across portions of Tennessee. There's another one that's following up behind it. These may try to squeeze into the neighborhood here as we get towards the 4th of July holiday because high pressure is departing. So that's going to take away that drier air that's in place. So we'll notice a little bit more cloud coverage in here for the 4th of July. There's your scattered variety showers and storms. I still think the best bet's going to be down here in southern West Virginia. It's not a washout. Any shower or storm that we do see tomorrow will last about 15 to 30 minutes, and then it's right out of here by the time we get towards fireworks time. And then we do it all over again on Wednesday. Same thing on Thursday with those showers and storms cruising on through. Best bet for rain in this forecast looks to be on Friday, and that's when we'll start to flip the tide on a little bit of cooler weather just in time for the weekend for the Greenbrier Classic. Temperatures in the low to middle 80s with tons of sunshine. Overnight lows back down in the upper 50s and lower 60s.